Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by launching the Capture tool right away. Press Windows key plus Shift plus S. Once the toolbar appears, pick the shape that fits your goal, rectangular for standard shots, freeform for irregular shapes, or full screen to grab everything. Make sure your target window is visible and not covered. After you snip, the image goes to the clipboard automatically. Click the small notification in the corner to open Snip and Sketch for quick edits or to save to a file. Once in Snip and Sketch, edit immediately. Select the pen or highlighter to mark areas, use the ruler for straight lines, and crop to refine the frame. You can undo mistakes with Ctrl plus Z. This matters when precise annotations are required. When satisfied, save the file, press Ctrl plus S to pick PNG or JPG, and set a destination folder. If you need to paste somewhere else, choose Copy or Use Share to send the image to Mail. To finish, confirm the image was saved and that your annotations look right. Close the editor to free memory. If the notification never shows, check Windows notification settings and ensure Snip and Sketch can send notifications. Once done, you can reopen the saved image from File Explorer to confirm format and location. If Win plus Shift plus S does nothing, open Snip and Sketch from start, or restart the app and sign out of Windows to reset the clipboard and background services. That typically resolves Capture issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.